Hi there, students. Bedlam, a noun. Bedlam means sheer chaos, chaotic uproar, confusion everywhere. Yeah? Bedlam, total chaos. A noisy situation with no order and no rules and no control. A situation of noisy uproar and confusion. So when the bank went bankrupt, there was bedlam outside its doors among the people waiting to get their money. Pandemonium. Yeah, things go totally crazy. A bull in a china shop causes bedlam, total confusion, total disaster. Yeah, a tumult, a rumpus. Okay, so bedlam. There was bedlam. He caused bedlam. The boy let off stink bombs all through the school, and there was bedlam with people running out of the building trying to escape. Bedlam broke out when the speaker made some extreme remarks. If you come to my house, you're most welcome, but you need to know it's bedlam. The kids running around, it's in a mess. There's loads of noise, confusion. Yeah, it's like a bit like a hen house, really. Okay, so bedlam. His speech caused bedlam. The news caused bedlam among the students. Yeah, they got really, really upset. They got really angry. There was bedlam in the football stadium when the match was cancelled. Shouting, screaming, people running everywhere. When the star came on stage, there was bedlam among the audience. A vehicle crashed on the motorway and bedlam ensued because lots of other vehicles crashed into it. Yeah, it caused absolute bedlam. The government is so disorganised. There seems to be sheer bedlam in the country. Maybe COVID has caused bedlam among the restaurant industry, also in the hotel industry as well. Yeah, when people discovered that they were selling flat screen colour TVs for £5, there was bedlam in the shop with people rushing to get them before the offer ran out. Okay, so what about origin? I like the origin of this word. I'll do formality in a second. Originally in 1375, 14th century, in London there used to be the Bethlehem Royal Hospital. And this was the hospital for the mentally insane, for mad people. And for many years, bedlam referred to the lunatic asylum, where people went when they were absolutely mad. Okay, so Bethlehem, the word Bethlehem has been twisted into bedlam. Okay, so bedlam was the lunatic asylum. So if we say something was bedlam, it's like the inside of a madhouse, the inside of a lunatic asylum. How formal is this word bedlam? I think I'd probably give it a 5.5. It sounds ever so slightly literary, but you could use it anywhere. He threw gold coins on the floor and bedlam ensued among the crowd while they were trying to pick them up. Okay, so I think you could use this anywhere. 5.5 informality. People should understand this word as well. It's a good word to use instead of chaos or something like that. So, bedlam, sheer chaos, where confusion prevails, there's total chaos. The scene was bedlam. There was bedlam in the streets after the announcement of the implementation of the new law. A state of uproar and confusion. Yeah, a scrum, if you like. There was bedlam in the pub when a fight broke out and everybody started to join in. So there you go, bedlam. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Maybe the organisation of the videos is bedlam. Well, take care. Bye bye.